Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be an Amazon haul, an Amazon unboxing. I have a bunch of products that I've recently ordered from Amazon. I thought I'd sit down, unbox these things with you guys, see what's going on in here. And I have quite a bit of stuff, so I am super excited. So with this whole social distancing thing and not being able to go to stores and stuff, I resorted to a lot of online shopping, and I have done a lot of ordering from Amazon. It's been my main source for ordering, so I've just kind of put everything in a box because I didn't order everything in one. I just put everything in one box so I could kind of go through it with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the things that haven't arrived yet. And so I ordered one of those Starlight Galaxy things. I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see, and it still has not come. I don't even think I got shipping confirmation for it. I think there was an issue with shipping out the product, so still haven't gotten that, and I was super excited about it. Hopefully if that just gets canceled completely, I can order another one because I was super excited for it, because it's supposed to make your whole room, all your whole ceiling galaxy themed, and I'm like, damn, I want that, because I used to have LED lights in my room, but they actually fell down and I got rid of them. My brother has them now, so I thought that galaxy thing would be cool because it's just a projector and then your whole room kind of gets all colored and lit up. But unfortunately that did not ship. The second item that didn't ship were these brow razors, those plastic ones that are only a few dollars. I really wanted to get those because I wanted to try dermaplating, which is basically shaving your face. It gets all the dead skin and stuff off, but those have not come either, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys know a seller that's quick on getting those, because I know the ones I ordered were quite a long shipping time and they still haven't come, so I don't know what that's about. But let's go into the other stuff I got. So the first thing I got is this Nano Iconic facial steamer. This is what this looks like right here. Now, I have been wanting a facial steamer for a bit now, and I really wanted to try this out, and I haven't even opened it, so let's just open it up. I used one of those pore vacuums, and it didn't work the best, and I think that's because I didn't steam my face properly before. I just used a hot cloth. So I'm excited to see how this works. I think I want to do a video on this, so I'm not gonna go too much in detail, but let's see what we got here. So it came with some tools. Oh my god, these look dangerous. I need to figure out what you use each one for. So it came with a bunch of extracting tools, Blackhead tools. This one scares me. Do you guys see that? It has a hook. I think that's to poke. That's pretty sharp. Oh my god, that's actually really sharp. Poke into a cyst or something. Yeah, I'm kind of scared to use these, and I don't think I will, because I don't think I have the knowledge to use these properly. I would definitely trust a professional with something like this. But then we got a cute little headband. It's got little ears. Let's open this up. I want to actually put this on, see how it looks. I love that it came with a headband. Do the ears stand? Oh my god, that is so cute. I can't. I love that. And then we have the actual face steamer itself. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but hopefully it steams out nicely. And here it is. It kind of looks like my diffuser, to be honest. Oh, do not over. What? It says warning, only 1 cup. Do not over. What does that mean? Do not over. I do not know what that means. Okay, and here is the actual steamer. I'm excited to use this. So let me know if you guys want a video on the steamer. I can do a whole try on of it, see how it works, and see if it's really worth it. I think this one was around $40 to $50, but it came with quite a bit of stuff, and I'm excited to see how it works, so hopefully that's good. Since we're talking about skincare, let's just talk about these products right here. Now, if you're like me and you've become obsessed with TikTok lately, you will have seen the skincare products on TikTok, and The Ordinary has been a really big thing right now. Everyone has been trying it out. Everyone's been raving about their products, so I had to get my hands on some of them. And most of The Ordinary products don't actually ship to Canada, which I find really weird because they're actually made in Canada, so I don't know what that's about, but I did buy 2 of their products. So the first one is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and this is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So let's open this up. So this is supposed to be really good at like reducing pores, reducing oils, and apparently really good for people who struggle with acne. Me. So I'm really excited to give this a try. This is what this one looks like right here. So I'm thinking I want to do like a 1-month trial or something with this where I'm like trying this every day. And I'm excited to use this. It's supposed to, zinc is really good at like minimizing scars as well, so I'm excited to see how this works for my acne and scarring and see if it makes any difference, because people have been raving about The Ordinary and how it's just changed their life. So I'm really excited to try that out. And then this one is definitely the one that's kind of been most popular, at least on TikTok. And this is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. It's the 10-minute exfoliating facial. And this has a pH of 3.6, which that is pretty acidic. And this is like that red mask that you guys have probably seen all over TikTok. And I'm really excited to use this. So it is supposed to be like a peeling solution. You're only supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes maximum, and it's supposed to really help exfoliate your skin, reduce scarring and acne. And a lot of people have sworn by this product, so I'm really excited to try it out. Again, I think I want to do like a prolonged trial of it, especially because I have pretty sensitive skin and I won't be able to use this like every day. I want to kind of use it over a longer period of time and give you guys my thoughts. So if you're interested in me doing like skin trials on these Ordinary products, let me know and I will definitely do that. Next, I bought something super basic, just some like makeup poofs. I love using like powder puffs and stuff for my loose powders. I find it applies nice. I like it for blotting makeup, kind of finishing my makeup off. So I highly suggest that if any of you are looking for just some simple makeup applicators, go on Amazon and get yourself some little poofs. They are nice because you can get them for really cheap and kind of dispose of them more regularly than keeping old ones around. So highly recommend that, just really simple. The next product I got is the Echo Dot, and this is the one that has the clock to it. So let's open this up. I actually haven't opened this yet. I'm super excited. I've heard a lot of things about the Echo, so I cannot wait. It's super small, which is nice. And this is the one that has the clock, and it's also the white one. Has the buttons on there. I don't think it's charged or anything. But yeah, I do like that it's really compact and small. I love blasting music and getting ready with music, so I'm really excited to kind of put this to the test and see how I like it. And then here is the charger for it. Just really simple speaker. I'm excited to use this and everything and kind of see the features, because this does have Alexa, so I know there's like certain features with it I need to kind of get myself more familiarized with it. But to go with that, this actually was sent to me along with it, and this is the D3 battery base for the Echo 3rd Gen, which is the Echo I got. This is what this looks like right here. And this is perfect for anyone who's really into wireless charging. I know wireless charging is so much easier. So this will really help you achieve that. Let's open this up. I haven't looked at it yet. So this is what the stand looks like. Again, really compact. It matches the white there. And then I'm guessing you just grab the Echo and slide it right in to there, and then just plug it in the back. I still have the plastic on mine, so I'm not going to do that, but then you have a little charging stand, and then you can just plug in the charging stand instead. And then once this is fully charged, you can charge it wirelessly anywhere you are, if you're outside, inside, anything like that. So I'm excited to actually try these out in a future video or something. I'm not going to try them out today. Guys, I just finished filming and I went to plug in the Alexa, and it just like out of nowhere just started talking, and I don't know what to do. It's so weird. I'm gonna have to figure that out, but it's currently on its wireless base. Charging. Yeah. It's weird because it just started talking to me out of nowhere. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I know it was kind of different, more chillax than my other videos, but I really just wanted to sit down and do something super simple, just kind of chit chat with you guys and show you some of the impulse buys I've been doing, and show you guys some of the impulse buying I've been doing lately, and some of the trendy products that I've seen on the internet that I'm like, yeah, I need that. So anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.